girl, get ready because it's the new year and you about to do this video.
There's nothing like chilling with my girls, just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas, hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S, divas.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? It's your girl A, and welcome back to my channel for 2026. Happy New Year's, everybody. I hope y'all all had like an amazing holiday. Bringing in the new year, positivity. Girls, stay positive if you need to. Just please stay positive. It's 2026, you guys. I'm back here again on YouTube. And you know what? This is actually my very first recorded video for 2026. I did post a couple of videos that were just done way before the new year, and I just had to take a little break. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I got to come back on my mental, just relax, put my feet up and chill. That's what I did for the entire holiday, and I'm so glad that I did. You know what I'm saying? Like, I hope y'all had like that same situation, enjoyed family and friends and co-workers and whoever else. But I'm back. I'm ready to do a wig video, and you know what? It's 2026, and we about to slay, okay? And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I don't really understand what you're waiting for, but girl, get to it. So with that being said, today's video is by a company, a brand that I've worked with several times in the past, and I'm kind of happy to bring in the new year with them. So with further ado, this is by the brand Icy Hair. I love when I work with a wig company and I go from A to Z with them. I'm on board for the whole journey. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love to see anybody evolve. I love to see wig companies step it up, and I love to be a part of that. Now, let me tell y'all, this is a pre-everything wig. I didn't even do anything to the wig. This is the first time I've ever taken it out this bag and out this box. But normally I would show you guys how the wig looks on my mannequin head, but some people just tend to think that I've done something to the wig. No, girl, I just took it out the box and put it on a mannequin head. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like straight out this bag and straight out this box. Y'all love pre-everything wigs? Then leave a comment down below about how you feel about them. If you don't like doing too much to your wig, leave a comment down below too, because I really want to be in your business and I want to be here with you just the same way you want to be here with me. I want to be there with you too. So like I said, this is Icy Hair. This is their Princess Luxury Hair collection. This is their ISEE Mcap, the maximum lace size, mini knot, match ear shape, movable combs, mimic forehead contour, and mark of authenticity. I will definitely link everything below. I did get a wig cap, and I also got this right here. There is the actual elastic removable band, some extra combs, nape combs, and then I have two of these smaller combs. Okay, so the fact that they already have added their name to the wig, which is great. They do have their name Icy Hair on this removable tag, but I do like their red removable elastic band, wear and go. So this is like their own staple. It does come with combs already sewn in, and from the looks of things, these combs look like they're removable. These combs are removable, y'all. Okay, you can remove these combs. Girl, okay, hello. So if you don't like combs in your wig, you can definitely just slide them through and they will come right out. I definitely am feeling that. As well as the back is also removable as well. Yeah, you can remove the back combs also. These are also removable. Look at that. It also does come with some silicone gripping around the back portion of the wig, and the best of the best, girl, drawstring. Everybody is drawstringing it, and I love that. I'm here for it, because who don't like their wig to sit on tight? Girl, I remember back in the day, we was doing a whole lot to make sure that wig sat on tight. This is one of their curly units. Like I said, it's pre-everything, and the lace is definitely looking really, really good from the looks of things. I like when they do these curls at the end. Girl, I'm about to put her on, and we're gonna look extra, extra cute.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call.
This lace looks really, really good. You don't need to do anything. I love the way it's structured. I like the way it's thinned out in the front, and it just blends seamlessly with your own natural skin tone.
Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Gotta tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Text, I know it's a toss-up. I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah. The Uber pull it up, don't call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? We was raised little different. Used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. But I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah. The Uber pull it up, don't call. Tell me, is you trying to fall?
All right, ladies, look at this wig. She came out really, really nice. Did decide just to wet it and let you guys see how long the actual unit is, being that it's 24 inches. These are what the curls will look like after you co-wash it. So this wig came out super duper cute, okay? Y'all already know I love me a good wig, okay? If you're not here for a good wig, baby, you in the wrong place. But Icy Hair, okay, this is the Princess Luxury collection, and I'm feeling this. These curls are juicy and succulent, even with the spritz and the conditioner and stuff that I used with it. Very nice and full, fits so great. I love the fact that their combs are removable, and they also to provide extra combs. Fits well. The lace is definitely lacing, and that means a good thing. I didn't even have to really tweak anything. Girl, it's thinned out to perfection, bleached to perfection. Everything is slayed, okay? So you could definitely just put this on and go if you choose to. What I tell y'all is everything. Pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-styled, and pre-approved. All right, y'all, so I decided to come back this evening and show you guys what the hair looks like once it's dry fully. I do believe this is either 200 or 250% density. It gets very full, so you don't have to worry about skimpy hair. I do like how she dried. She didn't become stringy. She became full, and the succulent curls definitely held up, okay? You do get a nice amount of parting. I tell y'all all the time, if y'all gonna do a wig, girl, do it big. Why put on a wig that's skimpy when you can go ahead and put on a good full wig? Y'all know I love a good wig, okay? I tell y'all this all the time. I love me a good wig. If you ain't here for a good wig, then girl, I don't know what to tell you. I love the way she dried up, and she's just very, very full. And I'm gonna show you what the back looks like so you can see how full she is and how she dried. Look at the hair, like it's very full, succulent curls. And that's it, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Check the description box out for all of the information. If you stayed to the end of this video, go ahead and give me a red heart because you know it's about to be almost Valentine's Day. Also, check the description for ISEE's Luxury Princess Collection along with their other units. What are your thoughts on big curly hair? Do you like big curly hair? Do you wear lace fronts? What type of wigs do you prefer? I would love to see us all interact in the comments. So on that note, stay diva and divalicious. Be blessed. Enjoy your day. Happy New Year. I hope you all have like an amazing 2026, and I will see y'all in the next one.
Wanna do? I speak the truth. Yeah.